gross. Great.
I love the door.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Problem. This ain't our car.
It's not.
We must be across the hall.
Hi. Welcome. Thank you. This looks so good.
This is just not even my place. And the floors? Oh, I just don't even feel like I'm in my own house. Look at my beautiful faucet. And I love the counters. Yay! And my mom and my sister came in quite often while I was gone. And every single time they did, and somebody was here from Team Builders, my sister would tell me how nice and polite and helpful everybody was that worked here. I would not choose anyone else but Team Builders. Seriously. I don't know how many times I told him that. I said, if people are smart, they will only use you guys. I've told him I want to just adopt him, but he's the only one that called me repeatedly saying, how are you doing? What are you thinking? You know, nobody else followed up with me. They just went above and beyond anything that I could ever have hoped or expected. Honestly, that's just the truth. And I am over the moon happy with the result. Couldn't be happier. Thanks again. Thank you.